I've fulfilled a lifelong dream. I've actually done it. Now some of you will understand how I feel, but I've always wanted to own one of these. Oh, I'm so excited. I've made some other videos, shorter videos, but I wanted to make a longer video because there are people out there that will really appreciate what I've done, and I'm absolutely delighted to announce I've bought a boat. Oh, I can't believe it. It's always been a dream of mine to be a captain and, you know, sail on the open ocean, go where I want. Look, it does need some repairs. I've got well, basically it just needs a few coats of paint. I mean, there's a few other things that need doing, but I'm gonna show you, and I want your honest opinion, particularly boat owners, because I'd like a few tips on getting this on the water as soon as possible. And I'm thinking about 2 weeks. I've already ordered the paint, but have a look. What do you think? Yeah? Initial thoughts? Now, admittedly, there is stuff to be done. Let's start at the back. Is that the bow? You see, I've got to learn all the terms and everything. I think the bow's the back and the stern's the front, right? Have I got that the right way round? So, anyway, let's have a look at the back. Now, I've done some work on it, but yesterday we had a bit of a high tide. And if you look at that area there, can you see? This was originally the back of the boat, and yesterday I had it all pretty much looking like the back, and then the tide came in and it, yeah, looks a bit like a game of Kaplunk again, but I'll fix it. Have a look inside. Now you need to use your imagination, because my plan is to strip out all these floorboards, and as you can see there's no, what do you call it, steering wheel? I'm going to put a panel in there, and I'm going to put some like computers and stuff. So I want it to be fully computerized, like connected to the satellites, you know, the satellites, so they can always know where I am. So I'm going to put that in. I reckon I could have that all done in about, what, 2 days? What do you think? I've got some plants growing here, and I'm told they're legal, so it's not a big issue. But yeah, you know, couple of coats of paint, some electrics, a steering wheel. What do you call it? Is that right, a steering wheel? Anyway, let's have another look around. As you can see, I've got this. This comes with it, and I'm trying to think what I can do with it. But what I thought was I could just use it to play in. You know, I just jump in it and play in it. And look, at the moment, okay. Well, it's got air conditioning, as you can see. The top, that comes off. I think that used to be like a sunroof, and I could straighten that out, no problem. And I've got, I mean, good, I'm so excited. Now this area, they said it's like almost like a beach area. Now, I'm not sure if that's something I can keep. I probably need to put some of that, like, you know, those floorboards you put in your house, the ones you can get from IKEA. If I put a bit of that down, a bit of wooden flooring, is it called wooden flooring? Put that there, and look, I could have a right Titanic moment here, can't I? Can you see? I could be like Jack and Rose there. And look, I got this box as well. I found this box, and there's some good stuff in it. I got like a shoe. I think that's a left shoe, and then there's another one. This is a right shoe, so it's a kind of a waterproof shoe. So if I put those together, I've got like a pair here, yeah, and I've got some fishing nets, so when I go out on the ocean, oh look, here's a boat, looks just like mine. Look, have a look, see, look, can you see that one? That's what mine's going to look like. Yeah, couple of weeks I'll be out there. Fishing. Anyway, back to the box. I got this stuff in the box, and I got this as well. I found this sock, and I thought I could use it as like a weather sock, maybe, so I know what ways the wind's blowing. And I got a t-shirt there as well. I got that. So there's a few holes in it, but I don't think that's anything unusual. And just take a look from this other side, you know. And again, look, have a look again. That boat is literally, where is it? Literally like mine. You see it? So have a look, have a look. Have a look. Yeah? Talk to me. What do you think? I don't want any jealousy, alright? It's one of my dreams, and it has come true. So I'd like you to maybe offer some congratulations, and particularly some advice and some tips, because 2 weeks from now I'm going to be out there fishing. I might even start tours if you're interested. Yeah? Anyway, please comment below, like, share, subscribe, because this really is a really big day for me, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Alright, teachers. Oh, and by the way, check the message, because I've got 50% off on my coaching for TEFL teachers and anyone else that's planning to come to Thailand. Oh look, you can see my boat in the background. Whee! I'll be in that window soon. Check my website. Check the message. I've got a link to the coaching, and let me help you. All right, and maybe you can come and help me paint my boat. All right, teachers. See you later.